Imagine building an entire sales system without hiring anyone. No designers, no developers, no tech team. Just you and one powerful AI tool, System.io. It lets you build funnels, email automation, blogs, and even full websites. It's like hiring 5 experts for free. I used it to build my business in one weekend. Create a landing page with ready-made templates. Add an email form to collect leads. Set up an automated email sequence. Add your product and payment method. All hosted for free. No need for a domain or hosting plan. Everything I needed was in one place. No switching between tools, no hidden fees. I saved time, money, and energy. It felt like having a full team backing me. And best of all, it's free to get started. No credit card, no trial limit. If you're serious about online income, don't waste time juggling 10 tools. One tool, one platform, total control. System.io gives you everything to launch today. I use it every day, and I recommend it to everyone. Click the link below and start building for free. Your business deserves to run smarter and simpler.